going to write the exam. So if you learn this part, easy for you to write your exam well. Okay. Go for the next.
Ma'am, we have to write in rough note.
Okay. Sixth one. Dash orange is a citrus fruit, just like dash
Ma'am,
lemon. Yes, see the
we
question.
have to write in rough note,
Dash
ma'am.
orange. Because O stands for what here? Article, isn't it? What may be that? Vowel. So, an orange. And orange is a citrus fruit, just like for this part, a lemon. Very good. A lemon. Good. Yes. Seventh one, he came after dash hour. Just read that one. He came after dash hour. Observe. Okay, he came after dash hour. What will come there? A hour, an hour. Because if you see here, hour, H-O-U-R, hour. The word hour, though it starts with the letter H, but it is silent. Okay, isn't it? It is silent only. We are not pronouncing the letter H there. The word starts with the vowel sound only. Isn't it? So, even if a word starts with consonant but isn't silent, the starting sound of the word is the vowel. What is the starting sound of the word? Anyone give me that answers in the chat box? R. R. What is the sound of that one? What is the sound of that one? R. Not H is there. Oh, very good. Someone has given there. Oh, orange. Isn't it? O is a vowel. So that's the reason that we are writing there an. Can you anyone give some other example for this? R. Is there any other example for this? O sound. Honest. Very good, Sudeshni. Very good. Honest. Isn't it? Because the same manner when we are using honest, though, yeah, you can see that one. Jaden was honest. Yeah, the come next one. Anup went to hoist. What's the spelling for the hoist? Hoist. H. So Anup went to dash universities to study dash European language. House is not at which one? Because we are what? We are using the head sound there. Only we can see that one. Heart, honest. These are come under the sound of vowel. Okay, Anup went to dash universities to study. What will come there, children? No, not and, because even though here U is the vowel only, isn't it? What are the vowel words, children? What are the vowel words? What are the vowel words? What are the vowel words?
A-E-I-O-U, ma'am.
A-E-I-O-U. These are the vowel words. So if you see here, U is the vowel only here, isn't it? University, U is the vowel only there. But how that you are pronouncing that? That is the sound of Y only. What is the U sound there? What is the U sound there? U sound. Phonic sound. What is the U sound? Not here. I'm asking, what is the sound of U? U. Oh, very good. What is the sound of U? Isn't it? So what is the sound of the phonic sound of U is only. For example, I can say uncle, umbrella, okay? Unhappy, ugly, ultimate. So these are the sound of But if you see here, university, that is not a sound of Y sound only. So we should not write there and only Understand? Okay, tell me here for the European language. European language, even though is no dear, only. The same manner only you are using there. That is sound of U only, not a E sound. What is the sound of E? Vowel sound. E. Phonic sound of E. Egg. A. Very good. A. But here we are pronouncing Europe. U only, isn't it? So we are not utilizing that. That's the reason that we are giving a there. Yeah, very good. Now the next one, ninth one. Jaden was dash, honest and helpful person. Very good, Mahati. And R. The based on that only. And honest. Though it starts with the H, but the sound is O only. Honest. Earn only. Okay. Are you clear? Very good. The last one, 10th one, Dash Atlas is a book of maps. Very good, Anne. Very good, manager. Good. Good children. Mitravendra, good. Charan, good. Anne. Anne Atlas is a book of maps. Very good. Are you clear? Shall we move to the next one? Pronoun. Very good. Pronoun we move now. Okay. Replace the underline nouns with pronouns and rewrite that now. Okay, children, first one they've given there. So what are the pronouns, ma'am? Give me some examples in your chat box. What are the pronouns? What are the pronouns? He, she, it, we, they. These are the pronouns, isn't it? Yeah, good. Now we are going to see the based on that one. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. Dash was born on 2nd October. So instead of Mahatma Gandhi, what we found in?
Ma'am,
Mahatma
10th
Gandhi
one.
was a great leader. So what is the person of the male? So you can convert them into he. He was born on 2nd October. The same manner, I'll come to the second one. My name is Alpha. Dash have a new teddy bear. My name is Alpha. So what may be the answer for that? Hmm? My name is very good. Good, good. I always starts with capital only. Okay. I have a new teddy bear. Very good. Okay. The third one. Meena and Tina went to the park. Dash played happily. Is she? They. Very good. They. Very good. They played happily. Okay. The library is very close to my house. Dash is very big. Very good. It's very big. Very good. It's very good. It is very big. Sujit is a great tap dancer. Dash dances very well. Very good. Sujit is a boy. That's why we have to give as a he. He dances very well. Good children. Good, good. I'm watching each and everyone. You are giving your correct answers only. Very good children. Now shall we go for the next one, please. Continuation only. Okay. The pen is wait till the Sita was playing football. So here Sita kicked head hard. Very good. She. So she's a girl. She. Okay. The book has a pink cover. Again, what will come there? The book has a pink color. Dash is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Yes. Shamil, I need answers there. William is waiting for his turn. Okay. Don't make dash way too long. Don't make, not eat. Don't make him very good, Syed.
Him,
Very
ma'am.
good, Sanjana. Him, very good. Him. Don't make him wait too
Him,
long.
ma'am.
Very good. Him. Lena told her friend Meena that Lena could not go to her house tonight. So what will come there? Who said? Lena told her friend Meena that
She, ma'am.
she, very good, she. Yeah, she couldn't go to her house tonight. Good. My grandparents live in Mussoorie. Mussoorie is a beautiful hill station. My grandparents live in Mussoorie. Then what will come there? It. Very good.
It, ma'am.
It is a beautiful hill station. Good. Good, dears. Good, good.
It, ma'am.
Well done, children. Everyone are good. Yes. The pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. What will come there? Again, dash is my favorite one. It. It is my favorite one.
It
Same
is my favorite one,
Ben
ma'am.
is a smart boy. So again, dash studies well. Instead of Ben, you have to. Ben is a smart boy. You are not a Ben there. So he, very good.
He, ma'am.
He, very good. He studies well.
He, ma'am.
Very
He
good.
said
Nina
studies
and
well.
I went to the party. Instead of Nina and I, what will come? Very good, Syed. Because here, why you are writing we there? Why you have given correct answer we only? Why that you are mentioning we instead of they? Because you are also along with Nina. That's why we have to write we. Are you clear?
We, ma'am.
We had a great
We,
time.
ma'am.
Very good. Ritu and Rachel are twins. So Ritu and Rachel look alike. They, very good.
They, ma'am. They.
They look like.
They,
Okay.
ma'am.
15th
ma'am.
one. 15th one. Don't tease the dog. Don't tease the dog. Dog may bite you. Yes, very good. It may bite you. Very
It,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, good. Good children. Clap, clap. Yes, big star for you children.
It, ma'am.
Yes, big star for you. Each and everyone, those who have given the answers there. Big star. Good. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes. Now, adjectives. Okay, what does it mean, the adjectives? What is the adjective, children? What does it mean, adjectives? Yes. Describe. Very good. What is describe? Guru Prasad? You came close to that. Except Guru Prasad, is there anyone to say what is adjective? You are describing characters. Very good.
ma'am.
You are describing words. You are describing nouns. You are describing pronoun. Very good. So that is the describe color, time. So these are the describing words only, isn't it? Very good. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. For example, I can give um, green grasshopper. Green grasshopper. What is the adjective word in there? Tell me. Very good. Color. Very good. Okay, funny little boy. What is the adjective word there? Funny little boy.
Funny.
Funny little, both. Little also kind of size one.
Funny and
Yes.
little, ma'am.
Yes, both only. Very good. Okay. Red hat. Red hat.
Red.
Red. Very good.
Red, ma'am.
Red.
Red,
Quick
ma'am.
rabbit. Quick rabbit. Quick. Good. Quick rabbit.
Quick.
Quick rabbit one. Quick. Quick is
Quick,
adjective.
ma'am.
Happy duck.
Quick, ma'am.
Happy duck.
Happy.
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 Very good. So you just come to know that one. Most adjectives can be used in front of a noun only. Okay, children? Not after that noun. Before the noun only, we used to use our adjectives. Now we are going to see that one by one here. Fill in the blanks with adjectives. The deer is a dash animal. So from within the bracket they've given, you have to choose and write. Which one is the correct one? Huh? A deer is a timid. Good. What does it mean? Timid. Very good, Syed. Good. Timid one. What does it mean? I'm asking what does it mean? Your answer is correct, timid. What does it mean? Fear or lacking courage. Timid one. Good. Yes. Shy. You can say that as a shy one. Or fear one. Lack of no courage. Okay, welcome to the second one. The hunter saw a dash dove. White dove. Color. Color of
White,
dove
ma'am.
is here white. So if you see that one, adjectives can be used in front of a noun only. Don't forget, okay, children? So here dove is noun. Animal is here also noun. Before that only we have to use the what? Adjectives. Okay. The dash detective caught the thief. Very good, Mastan. Good, clever. The clever detective caught the thief. If it may be clever,
Clever.
there is a chance to get thief. No. So clever. Good. Good, Mastan. Yep, Pranavi. Good. Clever. Okay. Salim draws dash cartoons. Funny cartoons. Good. Good, Shaman. Funny, Sarveshwar. Good. Suhan. Good. Funny. Funny cartoons. For the fifth one, the octopus has how many legs? Numbers, colors. These are the describing words only. 8. 8 legs. Okay. If you see here, within bracket they've given. So based on that, because already I have informed you that adjectives can be used in front of noun only. So which is the apt one you have to fill in. These dash cups can be recycled. Which is the correct one? Plastic small or small plastic?
Sixth one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am?
Sixth one.
Sorry, sixth one. My father felt dash when I stood first. Proud. Your father proud about yourself because you stood as outstanding performer there. Proud. Proud. Okay. Seventh one. Seventh one. These dash cups can be recycled. So what is the
Small
answer?
plastic. Small plastic.
Small plastic, not a plastic small, because I used to say that an adjective is always be in front of noun only. Plastic is a noun there. Small is a what? Adjective. Small plastic one. Shamil, give me the next one. Small plastic. Okay. Titanic is a dash ship. Which one is the correct one?
Old and huge.
No.
First one, ma'am.
No, not first one. Not first one.
Second one, ma'am.
Which is big one?
Second old.
Huge old only correct answer. Huge is a big.
Old,
That
ma'am.
is a describing word. Size of that ship. Titanic ship is a huge one. So that only have to describing word always be before the before the what? Children, I need answers in the chat box. adjectives can be used in front of what? Dash.
No.
What happened, children? Adjectives words can be used before noun. Yes, before noun only. Before noun as well as pronoun. So never forget. Okay. The ninth one. This book has dash pictures.
Colorful.
Many colorful, ma'am. Many colorful.
Colorful?
Many colorful.
Colorful. Many. Many colorful, ma'am. Many colorful, ma'am.
Many
Second one.
colorful. Good. Very good.
Many colorful,
colorful.
Many colorful, ma'am. Many colorful, ma'am.
Yes, many colorful. Good. Because many stands what? More. So more you are describing. That is counting. Yes. Last one.
Tiny gold. Tiny gold.
Dash fish.
Tiny gold.
Tiny gold.
Tiny gold.
Tiny stands for what does it mean tiny?
Tiny gold, ma'am.
Okay, what does it mean tiny?
Small.
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 Tiny gold. Very good. Yes. Good children. Small. Sanjana, good. So that only have to use before. So never forget most adjectives can be used in front of a noun or pronoun. Are you clear? Yes. Now we are going to the next one. So fill in the blanks with prepositions. Okay. What are the prepositions, children? Yes, at. Only at. Guru.
Between.
What are the prepositions?
On the.
Into.
On.
On. Very good.
Behind.
Behind. Good.
In front of.
In front of. Good. Good. Near. Good. Very good, Keshav. Very good.
Inside.
Anand, good. Vasant, good. The
Outside.
near.
On the
Under.
side.
Beside. Before. In front of. Inside. Outside. Over. Above.
Under.
Under. From. In front of.
Among.
So between. These are the
Among.
prepositions. Okay. So now we are going
Among,
to
around.
use in that. Okay. The answer for the first one. The painting is placed dash the window and the clock.
Between.
Prasad, is it at? Not on. For the first one,
Between. Between,
just
ma'am.
between, good. Within the
Between, ma'am.
bracket, they've given that answer, so you have to choose and write between. The painting is in between window and the clock. Between is the correct answer. Between. Sarveshwar. Good. Please don't park your car.
In front of.
Very good. Wait, I'll bring my.
In front of, ma'am.
In
In
front
front
of,
of.
ma'am.
Very
In
good.
front of, ma'am.
In front of. Good. Here. Second one, in front of. What does it mean, children? Please don't park your car in front of the gate. What does it mean? What does it mean?
Ma'am, third one above.
I'm asking for the
Do not
second
park.
one. Can you anyone tell me what does it mean? Please don't park your car in front of the gate.
No parking, ma'am.
Yeah, no parking. Exactly. Within one word that you have given there. Exactly. No
Do
parking
not park the front
in
of the
front
gate.
of your house. In front of, sorry, in front of park.
No parking, ma'am.
Very good. No parking. Good. Okay. The birds are flying.
Above,
Bridge.
above, ma'am. Above.
Very good.
Above.
Above
Good.
the bridge, ma'am.
Very good.
Above the bridge, ma'am.
Good, good. Above the bridge.
Above the bridge.
Yes, above the bridge. Next one. We have a park. Dash of
Near,
house.
ma'am. Near. Near.
Good children.
Here,
Very good.
near, ma'am.
Near.
Near.
Near,
Near,
ma'am.
good. Good, good.
Near.
Near.
English, good. Good. The next one.
No, ma'am.
Lived in this house dash January to March.
From.
From, ma'am.
From, ma'am.
Very good.
From.
From,
Very good, Magati. Good. Sarveshwar, good. Rachel, good. Very good.
Drum, ma'am.
Okay, next I'm going to show the other side. Good, Sarveshwar. Mitravinda, good.
I'm ready to
Okay, next one. Very good, Kanishka. There is a small temple. Dash the cave. Inside I have
inside the
into.
cave.
Inside.
Not a into.
The cave,
Not
ma'am.
a
The small
into.
temple is
Not a
inside the
into,
cave.
Samantha. Inside.
Inside. Inside,
Inside
ma'am.
only. Not into, inside only. Good. Good, Sivapriya. Not at. Oh, next one you are giving answer. Very good, Girish.
At 6
Good.
p.m. ma'am.
Next
At
one.
6 p.m.
At
6 p.m.
Ma'am.
Good. Very good. Very good, Sanjana. Very good, Kailash. Good.
The show begins at 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Very good.
Ma'am.
Don't write.
Ma'am, do not write
Don't write the wall. Inside. Very.
At the walls.
the wall.
On the wall. On.
On the wall.
On the wall, ma'am. On the wall.
Don't write on the wall.
On the wall. We should be
On the
kind.
wall.
Very good. We should be kind. We should be kind. Dash the movie. What will come?
Off, ma'am. Off.
Two or on. Very good, Aris. Two. Not after.
Off.
Two. Two.
Off, ma'am.
ED.
Oh, ma'am.
Very good. Two is the correct one.
Ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Next one. Next one. I am not afraid. Dash priceless. I'm not. I'm not.
Off. Ma'am. I am not afraid of surprise test.
Okay. The girl is standing. Dash
Off,
the
ma'am.
Yes. Near
Off, ma'am.
the
footstall.
Ma'am.
Near the footstall.
Near, ma'am.
Good children.
Near, ma'am.
And state dash
With
footstall. Very good.
and
With. Good.
The girl is standing.
Okay.
Near the
Now, very good children. Please mute yourself. Everyone, please mute yourself. Now I'm going to call one. Children, please listen my words. Please mute yourself.
footstool. Standing near the footstool.
Yes. Okay, it's better just mute yourself. I'm going to call one. Now, I'm asking you to describe about your. You have to describe and tell me now. Okay. I'm going to call one. Anisha, mute yourself.
Near.
Describe only. Yes. Okay, shall we? I'm going to ready to. Okay. Who's ready now? Okay. I'm going to call Shamil now. Louder, Shamil. Mahati is ready. Okay, Shamil, just take one chance for Mahati. Get ready, Mahati now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mahati.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen my question now. Now you are going to describe about your hair.
My hat is red. Red is.
Wait. Mahati, I'm asking you to describe about your hair. Hair.
My hat is black. Black. Thank you, ma'am.
Only black. Is there any other curly?
My hat is curly.
Very
My
good.
hat is red.
So these are the color of your hair. So the color is a describing word, isn't it? That means you say, my hair is, what is your color of your hair? Black. Black is a describing word. What is the texture of your hair? What is the texture of your hair? You say that is what is curly hair, isn't it?
No, ma'am. That is straight hair. My mom is curly hair, ma'am.
Okay. For you, that is straight hair only, isn't it? So for you, that straight hair, that texture of your hair is straight. So that is the describing word only. Very good. Okay, next, mute yourself. Mahati, mute yourself. Now I'm going to call. Okay, now I'm going to call Shamil now. Shamil, get ready. Louder and say that one about your hair only.
My hair is very beautiful. My hair is very black.
kind of your hair, that means color of your hair. Then short or long?
My hair is short.
I have short
Hair.
hairstyle. Okay, very good. Okay, children. Next one, Aradhya, ready? Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya? Yes, Aradhya.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me next. Pranav, get ready. Pranavi, please, sorry. Aradhya, please get, just describe about your eyes. Eyes. Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Describe about your eyes. Is there anyone ready to tell now? Children? Okay, just listen, Aradhya. Mute yourself. Okay, I'll call Pranavi. Pranavi, come and describe about your eyes, ma.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pranavi.
My eyes is blanking.
Okay. The color of your eyes is black. Then,
Yes, ma'am. My eyes is small.
okay, you have the tiny one. Yes. You have
That's
beautiful
all.
eyes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. How will you take care of your eyes? By watching television, by seeing the mobile?
No, ma'am.
No, dear. How you used to take care of your eyes? What are the things that you have to maintain? Watching TV from a distance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Don't use phone.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Mute yourself, ma'am. Mute now. Next one. Who's ready now? I need answers. That means please place your name in the chat box. The next one, Ridushna. Ridushna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ridushna. Now we are going to describe your nose.
No.
Your guru is get ready, Guru. Next, your turn will be next. Sanmita is also okay. I'll call you, please, Ridushna. Are you ready to say about your
Yes, ma'am.
nose? Tell me fast.
My nose is small
Mm.
and
So you love your nose. Then you have long or short one.
short, ma'am.
Short only. Very good. Then is there anything to describe?
I can smell things very perfectly
Okay,
with
good.
my nose.
Good, good. Very good. Okay, next one. Someone is asked now. Who's that? Uh, someone is asked.
Prasad, ma'am.
Guru Prasad. Yes, Guru Prasad.
Jai good day, ma'am.
Yes, Jai Gurudev. Okay, tell me about your ears.
Next time, ma'am.
Okay, Guru, tell me about your ears.
I have big ears. With ears, I can hear many things.
Okay. Okay, how many ears are you having? So that is also kind of adjective only.
2 years, ma'am.
Huh? 2 years. Very good. I have 2 years. So which one is the adjective word there?
2.
2. Then how you used
2
to take care
years.
of your ears?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
tell me again.
How you used to take care of your ears? Yes.
Without
Uh,
hearing sufficient sound.
very good. So not much more noise, isn't it? Okay. Sound
Yes, ma'am.
pollution. So you are avoiding that. Okay, Sanmita. Okay, can I mute
Thank you,
yourself?
ma'am.
Okay. Sanmita, please come soon.
Yes, ma'am. Jai
Okay,
Gurudev, ma'am.
Sanmita. Now you are going to describe about your hands.
I
Hands.
have 2 hands. I
Yes.
wash my hands, then it is
Hands as well
necessary.
as including your nail also, isn't it? Describe that.
Okay, ma'am. I will cut my nails
Yes.
weekly once.
Louder, ma. Louder. I can't get Sanmita.
I will wash my
Yes, very good. You used to yes. How you used to wash?
I go necessary.
Very good. So how you used to take care of your nails by using?
I will cut my nails
Weekly twice.
Nail cutter, yes. Then you used to put your, what you used to paint?
Nail
Which color would
polish.
you like to? Yes, nail paint. Okay. Then only this part. What is the use of that hands?
I eat using
What is
my
the use of?
hand.
Yes, ma.
I eat healthy
Louder,
food
louder.
using my hand.
Used to use for what purpose that you are using?
Writing.
Very good. That means I write with my two hands.
Hands.
Is it two hands? Used to use by two
One
hands?
hand.
One. That means your right hand. Okay, good. So is there anything about your nails? Nails? You have sharp nails?
I have long nails.
Okay, what about that? Fingers, how many fingers are?
I have 10 fingers.
Yeah, these are the describing words. Okay, by using that, you have to describe your body parts. Okay, ma. Please mute yourself. Girish Raghavendra, come soon. Okay, so
Ma'am,
get ready. Yes,
ma'am,
ma.
ma'am.
Who's that?
Pradisha, ma'am.
Pratiksha. Okay, Pratiksha, come soon, Pratiksha. Okay, Pratiksha. Now you are going to describe about your teeth. Teeth.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me.
My teeth is.
What is the
I
color?
brush my teeth. Ma'am,
Good.
I brush my teeth, ma'am.
You used to brush your teeth. Describing word. I said describe. How to describe your teeth? That is, you made one sentence only. So there is no any.
Wash my mouth.
No, ma. What I'm asking, you have to describe your teeth. What is the color of your teeth? How many teeth that you have?
White, ma'am.
Yes. So describe that
White.
one. Use that word. How to use in
My
that
teeth
sentence?
is.
The color of my teeth.
My teeth is.
The color of my
My
teeth
color
is
of my teeth is white teeth.
white. White in color. Okay. Next one. Is there? So I
My-
keep my teeth clean by using hand wash. Then how to make
I'm
your teeth
brushing,
clean?
ma'am.
Brushing. Okay. Brushing your
Brushing.
teeth. Then how to avoid cavities? Cavities. How to avoid cavities?
Water, ma'am.
Used to goggle. So
What?
avoid using more chocolates. So while go to your bed, you have to brush your teeth. Okay, these are the things you can protect yours. Okay, then one more thing. Is there any one describing word? How many teeth that you are having? How many teeth that you are having? Yeah, very good. Sudeshni, you have given the answer for that.
32 teeth, ma'am.
Very good. I have how many teeth?
32 teeth. 32 teeth.
32 teeth. Very good, Kana. Mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, Sudeshni,
Ma'am, I have 33 teeth, ma'am.
Yes, you are having 33. Yes, you are
Yes,
having
ma'am.
more, I think so.
I having 34, ma'am.
Is there anyone have 50 teeth? Is there anyone? Children? No one. Yes. Okay, children. Good. Good children. Okay, by this way only you have to describe your body parts. Okay. Is there anyone ready? That last one. Sudeshni Sri.
Yes, ma'am. Charmita.
Charmika. Okay, Charmika. Okay, Charmika. Now you are going to describe about your.
Ma'am, Sudashini Sri.
Okay, Sudeshni Sri. Charmi, I'll call you here. Because
Okay,
after
ma'am.
I called Charmika. Charmika. So Sudeshni Sri. Now you are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
describe your sister. Is there anyone sibling?
No.